Hi there, my name is Katie Warner. I want to share with you today my eczema story, how I overcame eczema accidentally at age 19. So I was that child who had corn syrup allergies, which in the 70s and 80s, corn syrup was in like everything. So when I would eat it, I would get eczema, and I would get it so badly. I had it on my forearms, I had it behind my ears, between my fingers, I had it on my toes, behind my knees, any place where there were creases, warm, hot, where I would sweat, I would get it. And depending on how much corn syrup I ate, I would get it worse. When I was in college, I used to try to give blood, and at one point they just said, "I'm sorry, we can't take your blood." And it was because I looked like an IV drug user. I had marks all on my veins, scars, and I still have really light ones from the eczema, but it looked like something else. So I just had to stop giving blood. And one springtime, I decided I was going to make a little sacrifice and give up sweets for 40 days. And everything under that category: ice cream, cake, Reese's peanut butter cups, Lucky Charms cereal, like that. Those were my staples in college. So I gave those up, and to my surprise, my eczema entirely went away. And I couldn't believe it. The only time my eczema would really go away is if we would go to the beaches on the East Coast during the summer. The salt water would clear it up, but then it would come back. So my eczema went away when I was 19, and it never came back. It has not come back for 25 years. And the amazing thing about it is that it just happened. I made a little sacrifice of the things that were taxing my body greatly. And I knew that because our skin doesn't lie. It shows us what's going on in our bodies. Many people have eczema. I talk to a lot of moms whose children have eczema. They may have eczema, different parts of their body. And I don't know what's causing your eczema. And I don't actually know what's going to heal it either. But what I do know is that a lot of times things show up in our skin when our body is overly toxified, when we have too many toxins in our body. And so for me, the big thing was getting rid of the corn syrup. But there's other low-hanging fruit that is also really helpful. For example, in our homes, in our cleaners, toothpaste, dishwashing soap, dish powder, laundry soap, shampoo, makeup. There's so many things that we use on a daily basis and all day long throughout the day that are riddled with chemicals, toxic chemicals. I have a book here that I love. I love resource materials. This is called The Chemical-Free Home by Melissa Pepping. And she has a list of chemicals and you can find it on the internet, that are in our personal home care products. And things like Febreze or plugins or dryer sheets. These are all just saturated with things that are not good for our bodies. And we know that there are lots of studies out that you can find on the internet that have connections between diseases and these chemicals. The Toxic Substance Control Act of 1976 grandfathered in an estimated 65,000 to 100,000 chemicals that are used in household products. Some of the worst products are baby products. If you need something to help clean up your house, Young Living has amazing products. We have something called the Premium Starter Kit with Thieves, and this is the Thieves Cleaner. I use this to clean everything in my house. The back, it tells you all the great things that are in it. It's all plant-based, no yucky stuff. And I take a capful and put it in a spray bottle, and then I add water to it, and I use this to clean everything in my house. I clean my windows, if I'm gonna mop my floors, I put a capful in a bucket, and then I fill it with warmer hot water, and I mop my floors. I use this to clean the commodes. I use it to clean everything, sinks. If I need a scrub, I just add baking soda. So under my kitchen cabinet, under my bathroom cabinets, if there's even a cleaner there's one cleaner, and there's baking soda. And it's such a nice way to simplify what you're purchasing and make your house streamlined, cleaner, remove those toxins. And another product that I would really love to share with you, Thieves Aroma Bright Toothpaste. And I heard this physician speak about it at a conference. He was given questions, and women wanted to know, like, what do we need to do to have healthy children? What do you recommend? And he said, you need to look at your toothpaste. And if you're getting the blue sparkle toothpaste that has X ingredient, Y ingredient, Z ingredient, those are neurotoxins. They're endocrine disruptors. They're messing up their bodies, because when you're brushing your teeth, the toothpaste goes in through the cheek lining. So you can very simply eliminate that by getting a toothpaste like Young Living's toothpaste. We have other toothpaste too that work fantastically well, but this is my favorite. And so Young Living also has products like, we have a dishwasher detergent, we have shampoo, we have soaps, we have hand soaps. Many of these you will find in the Thieves Premium Starter Kit. So if you are looking for super green products, if you are looking to make your home a place of life, ditching the toxins, having a clean home, cleaning with products that actually really clean, then I can't recommend Young Living's products enough to you. And just want to invite you to join me in this journey of taking care of our families, pouring our effort into it. It's so important for all of us to love the people in our lives as best as we can. And what I found is that these products help me in a really outstanding way. So I'm going to post a link below. You feel free to click on that link, and it will take you, just look a little bit, it'll take you to Young Living's website, and you can look for the Thieves Premium Starter Kit. If you need a house makeover, a chemical-free home makeover, it's a fantastic place to start. And send me a message. Let me know that you're going on this journey, and I will accompany you and help you. And if you have questions, I'm here for you, and I have information I can send you as well. So take care. Thank you so much, and God bless.